Okay, good morning to everyone. Welcome back to your mathematics class. And as you all know that we are under word problems on fractions. So in the last class I have sent explanation through X recorder because of some technical issues. Once again I am continuing with the video recording and I will send this through YouTube. And this is your exercise 4G. There first and second questions were already discussed. And see children, this is third question. After reading 5 by 8 of a book, 168 pages are left. How many pages are there in all in the book? Some part of the book is read already, that is given in the form of a fraction. And some part of the book which is not read, means number of pages are left, but that is given in the form of numbers, not in fractions. So what is given? Number of books, so part of the books which are unread. See, these are part of the book after reading, means which are read already. So part of a book read. Part of a book read is 5 by 8. This part is already read. And if we want to know how much part of a book which is not read, so it is given in the form of numbers. But let us convert this as a part. How? Part of a book unread. Part of a book unread means which is not read, the number of pages which are left out, still which is to be read. How much part it will be? Always see children, if read is given, unread if we want to find out, in whole one book, 5 by 8 parts are read. So if we subtract, we'll get how many part which is not read. One whole book, if we subtract how many pages are read, we'll get how many pages which are not read, unread. So take LCM, 8, 1 8 8, 8 1 8, 1 8 8 minus 5 1 5. So 3 by 8 part is left. 168 pages are left means what children? 3 by 8 part of the pages are left. Still we have to read 3 by 8 part of the book. So let us write this in this way, that is 3 by 8 part of total book, total pages. 3 by 8 part of total pages is given how much? 168. This is given now. 168 is what children? This is number of pages unread equal to 168. 168 is what? The pages which are unread left. So this 168 is what? This is 3 by 8 of total page. Correct? 3 by 8 part is what? Which is 100 part. So how much it is? This is 3 by 8 of total page gives 168. So of means what? Multiplication. Total pages, we have to find out total number of pages. Total number of pages, we have to find out 168. So this we have to find out. Keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. This we have to find out. This also will write down as it is. The number which is there at the left side and right side kept as it is. This numerator 3 and denominator 8, when I take this to right side, I will take this to right side. What happens is this denominator number 8 goes to numerator and numerator 3, numerator it is in numerator, it comes to the denominator. Nothing means 1 will be there in the denominator. Cancel with 3s are 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, out of 16, 15 gone, 1 remains 18, 3 6s are 18. So 56 into 8, you multiply, you will get total number of pages in the book. So 448. What are these? Total number of books. Sorry, total number of pages in the book. Total number of pages. Quickly in half minute, let me say whatever I have done. Simple, I have converted this part which is not read into fraction, children. That's all. So 5 by 8 is given which is read. So 3 by 8 part will be which is not read. So this 3 by 8 part of total pages is 168 given it is. 3 by 8 part is not read. 3 by 8 of what? 3 by 8 of total number of pages is how much? 168. Given, no? This step is important. 3 by 8 of total pages is 168. 3 by 8 is what? The pages which are left. These are the pages left, correct? That's why 3 by 8 of total page 168. Of means multiplication. Take this 3 by 8 to the right side, it will be 8 by 3. Cancel with the 3's a table and you will get 56 into 8. Multiply, you will get 448 pages. Children, this question I will relate to the third question. I will correlate to the third question. In the last question, number of pages were read. Here, 2 by 3 of the students in the class are boys. There, 5 by 8 are part of the books are read. And here, rest are 17 girls. There, some pages say, how many pages were there? 168 pages are left. Here 17 girls are there, rest. Question is same. Means 1 is given in the form of fraction, 2 by 3 are in the 2 by 3 parts are boys, and we should find out what is a part of girls first. Correct? So here part of boys is given 2 by 3. So we should find out part of girls. Of course, number of girls are given, that is different, but we should find out part of girls. So part of girls, as I said in the last question only, how to find out part of girls? Total. There also we have subtracted 1 minus, if you kept in the mind, 1 minus, we have done 1 minus 5 by 8, 1 minus. So here also we are doing 1 minus 2 by 3. So nothing means 1, LCM is 1 3s are, so 3 minus 2. So this is 1 by 3 parts are girls. But number of girls are given, no children? Number of girls are 17. Part of girls 1 by 3, because 2 by 3 boys means 1 by 3 girls, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 will be 3 by 3, 1 whole you will get. So part of girls 1 by 3, number of girls 17. So how to find out now? 1 by 3 of total strength are girls, correct? 1 by 3 of girls, no, 1 by 3 of total strength of class. 1 by 3 of total strength are girls, no? 17. 1 by 3 is part of girls. How many? 1 by 3 of 1/3 of total strength. 1/3 of total strength will be the girls' strength, 17. This we have to find out. So total strength of class equal to 17. In the last question, as we have taken this 1 by 3 towards right side, so when you take 3 goes up to the numerator and numerator 1 will comes down. So 1 ones are 1, denominator 1, you write it or not, one other same. So 17 3s are 51. So this is what? Total strength of the class. So this we found actually with what? Second one. Total strength. Second one. The first one easily we can find out number of boys. So first question is what? How many boys are there in the class? Number of boys. How will we get children? Number of boys, how we will get? Total strength. Subtract number of girls. So total strength of the class. Total strength of the class minus number of girls. So total strength just now we got 51 minus number of girls are 17. When you subtract, we will get how many boys are there in the class. Number of boys. After subtraction, you will get 34 boys are there in the class. Very simple children it is. One part will be given, this is boys part is given. We have to find out girls part. How? By subtracting with 1. 1 minus boys part. We will get 1 by 3. 1 by 3 of total strength is girls. 1 by 3 is part of girls. No, 1 by 3 of total strength is 17. So total strength equal to 17 into this 3 by 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. So when you subtract this total strength into number of girls, you will get number of boys. Children, in this fifth question you will find a man who is earning 25,440 rupees per month, and as he is earning, he is spending some amount. So those spending amount, the expenditure is given in the form of fractions, not in the numbers. 1/4 for house rent, 3 by 8 on food and clothes, 1 by 10th on insurance, and 1/5 on other items. So expenditure is given in the form of fractions, earning is given directly. So what are given here? Total earning per month. Total earning per month is given, that is 25,440. We have to find out total expenditure also. No, let us find out in the form of fraction only. So total expenditure. How to find out total expenditure, children? Expenditure means spending. Add all these which is spending, you will get total expenditure, that is 1 by 4 for house rent, plus 3 by 8 on food and clothes, 1 by 10 on insurance, 1 by 5 on other items. When you add all these spent amount, you will get how much expenditure he is doing. So how to get this addition of fractions? Different denominators, unlike fractions, take LCM. So you will get LCM as 40. Children, in the rough you can do it this 4, 8, 10, 5. Write numbers, take LCM, you will get 40 as LCM. So 4 10s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 10 4s are 40, 5 8s are 40. Now 1 10s are 10, 3 5 are 15, 1 4 are 4, 1 8 are 8. 10 plus 15, 25, 29, 8, 37. So 37 by 40. This is what, children? Expenditure per month in the form of fraction. Total expenditure per month. This is in the form of fraction. So how to get this as answer, children? Now, first answer, that is, how much does he saves in a month? So first we have to find out expenditure, then only we'll get the how much he saves. Expenditure how to get? So how much he is spending? 37 by 40 he is spending of total earning. 37 by 40 of total earning. Children, 1 minute. Okay. Monthly expenditure, how will get? This is the monthly expenditure. How much? 37 by 40 of total earning. How much? 25,440. How will get monthly expenditure? How much this man is spending? This much. So this part we have to convert into rupees. You know how? This we can convert into rupees. How? This is 30 by 7 by 40 of total amount is expenditure. That is 37 by 40 of means multiplication. Of means multiplication 25. Correct? This 0 get cancels. Cancel with 4 ones are 4. 4 4s are 24. 1 remains 14. 4 2s are 12. 2 remains 24. 4 4s are 24. So ultimately you got 37 into 424. So when you multiply 37 into 30, I have already done here because it takes time. 37 into 1 minute, children, I have done mistake here. 4 6 are not 4 4, so 4 6 are 24. 1 12. 1 remains 14. 4 3s are 12. And again 2 remains 24. 4 6 are 24. 636. What? 636. 4 6 are 24. 4 6 are 24. 1 remains 14. 4 3s are 12. 2 remains out of 14. 24. 4 6 are 24. So I am sorry, I have done some mistake here. So 37 into 636. When you multiply, you will get 23,532. What is this? This is monthly expenditure. This is monthly expenditure. This much he is spending. How we got this? First we are added all the fractions. We got how much part he is spending. So how much? 37 by 40 of total earning. Of means multiplication, cancel with 4s are table. So you will get, after multiplication, you will get 23,000. Now it is easy to get how much does he saves in each month. So saving per month. Easily we can get how? Total earning minus expenditure. Total earning minus expenditure, if you do, you will get saving. So total earning is 25,440 minus the expenditure just now we got is 23,532. When you subtract both, you will get 1,908 he saves.